Welcome to today's video. My name is Rachel. Actually, this is not a new video because I just took a nap after shopping shenanigans and all that. I want to do some cleaning and restock of what I have because it's messy. Anyway, if it is your first time here, my name is Rachel. Karibu sana. I do reviews very honest once I cook. I do time and money saving videos and closer to my heart. I motivate you to stay healthy and active because it is not always about the body. So the previous video was all about the shopping, the stuff I got and all that. And we need to put some because some are highly perishable. So please subscribe to my channel for 3 videos in a week when I can. I am trying my best. And so what we are supposed to do, we is me and you, is clean the fridge and then put the stuff that I have. And also I am going to be sharing a very fun dinner that I have an idea of, and I happen to have the ingredients with me. So I didn't have the cheese. Now that I have the cheese, we can pull that off. Is that English? I don't know. So let us do that. Demons from the farm, some ginger, rosemary and something was dumped there, and life went on. That's some butter and some cheese, cucumber and some barbecue sauce. And why do I have 2 barbecue sauces open? I usually buy Kisha, so no, I understand. This one was used in the village for the New Year's party, and then we came with it. Yeah, that's how I happen to have 2. Look at that. Look at that. And then kwa hii, look at that. It won't focus. Yeah, there you go. That's uchafu. And that thing there, I'm telling you, that is, see that? Look at that. That's my white wine vinegar. Ilikaribia kuisha na nikaiweka kwa that thing, but it needs to be cleaned at the same time. That's my juice thingy. I have some kiwis that were bought and dumped there in this pot. Who did this? This is my last chapati za Spain, za sale ya healthy user last year. This is the last that I have. I need to put a bag here. Also, the mayai thing is empty. Then remove the lonely kiwi. Remove the kiwis. Look at that. So this needs to be cleaned, like washed, like thoroughly. The remaining 2 things of my apple cider vinegar. So 1 will be used to make the other. So actually I have 1.5. So yeah, I should do that. Remove all those. Can't see chafu as much, but kuna uchafu huko. You can see that. Vegetable box has some. Vegetable box has some capsicum, some lemon, some lemongrass. Up here, my mama kombucha bottle, some cheeses and some ketchup. So the freezer is always clean. Don't ask me why, that is what I know. So remove these things. Use my lemon spray na vinegar water spray, wipe, and then clean easy. The whatevers need to be cleaned vizuri. Check that. And then turudishe kila kitu with whatever that I made. So let's do that. This is clean. Haiwezi pita hapo. Clean, clean, clean. Side is clean, but I need to clean hizo vitu za ku insert ndani, and then I'll place the things because mine is simple. Ikisha kwa safi, that's the bare minimum. The rest is kuweka vitu. Honestly, I see people organizing the fridge and napanga zinaangalia side moja, and I'm like, geez Louise, where do you get that patience and that time? Because I don't have it. So the place is clean. You just put them however you want to. Hata ukisqueeze zote kwa vegetable box. Yeah, that's the kind of a person I am. So that's clean. Super clean. Slides are back. Are they called the slides or what? And these babies are also back clean, well, better than they were. So saa hizi ni kuweka two things inside and dirtify it again, because that is what life is all about. This thing needs to be closed. That is what it is saying. So cheese up there, my empty kombucha bottles there, the egg tray without the eggs there, and my chapatis up Spain without mafuta ziko hapo. Definitely those will be eaten like, yeah, immediately. So maziwa is there, kombucha is there, my broth, clear broth is there. Remember, you can always choma the bones and tapata broth darker in a way. This jugu snack is very nice ikiwa cold. The reason why I put it there is because it'll backfire. Okay, I thought I would make like the crunchy one you buy from the supermarket. Didn't happen. So the last stuff is my apple cider. I have two, so I'll empty one jar here, and then the one in the decanter will be used to make the next bunch. Vegetable box needs to be restocked. I need to sort out those and show you the complete situation. This has those shenanigans. Kiwi goes there, my butter box there. This is rice wine vinegar, the barbecue sauce that could not fit here, white wine vinegar and red wine vinegar, and some slot for wine from Happy Dopa. Have you ordered your wine from Happy Dopa? Wine is very good for you, obviously in moderation, because it's alcohol, and alcohol taking excessively is not good for you. I also need to shred this. I have a second-hand cheese mill that I need to try. I bought it somewhere, so I need to try this. Actually, I can remove this because it will mess the whole thing again. Those were obviously sold. You saw that in my haul. Bought kwa sale, otherwise singekuwa na cheese mingi hivyo. I can never afford 900 plus ya hizo vitu. So that is like it. I'll show you when I'm putting the eggs. That juice container needs some passion and sugarcane juice, and like you can see, my fridge has zero. I'll put some kidogo limes here. Hizo ni za kutumia asubuhi na haraka haraka, because it takes lesser time than opening the vegetable box every time. It is impractical. So some maybe orange or apple. So let's close this for now. For now, I can put the maziwa clearance there for the time that I need some almond milk. I had forgotten my salad, so this is where it stays. No, there is a space here. I don't know whether the ball will fit. Let's see. Okay, to force issues, acha nitoe. It can stay on top of this like that. The fridge will close. I found my cheese mill, but I don't know or remember how to use it, so I need to watch some YouTube thing and use it next time. So I'll put this kagai in some Ziploc bag and keep it. one mission is accomplished. The tray has eggs at least. My juice can dispenser, whatever needs some juice. However, also I want to throw some corn kwa vegetable box. The chili and the 2 olives, they stay here. I decided to move the butter box. Also, I need some decent butter box because why not? So those will stay here. My butter box, however, I'm going to put it into this section that I keep on telling you that it is not for chicken, fish and all that. If you have to keep the meat and it is not marinating, keep it in the freezer, okay? Avoid smelly situations. Also, I have samling here, okay? Hide it there. To get the eggs, I also got bananas and avocado. Can you imagine this avocado is 100 bob? If I think about the nice avocados we get from some family friend, I feel like crying. But instead, let me eat crisps. These are banana crisps from Krishna Center. Yeah, someone bought them and they are yummy. No, they are spicy. They are Indian, so definitely they are Indian. Oh, also, I can show you some other things that were eaten, but yummy. Let me show you the remaining stuff. Easy stuff from Krishna Center. It's a mixture of Indian sweets, okay? But if there is one Indian snack that you can't get enough of, is this. I don't know how to pronounce it. It is super yummy. Let us go cook, okay? Also, to remind you, if you're that kind of person that is eating some snacks, some other things when you're cooking, finishing baby's food, that is secret eating, you know? Could be the reason why you have extra meat than you need. But seriously, what I mean is, it is advisable. Nutritionists will tell you that it is very advisable that you settle down and eat. The reason why people have dining tables and dining areas. You don't have to have a dining area or dining table to lose weight or be fit. What I mean is, it is very important that you focus on eating that and that. Only that time that your mind will be able to signal your tummy that that's enough. But if you eat watching TVs, when you're feeding the baby, when you're working, unauma tu vitu haziishi kwa mdomo yako, and then finally you settle for nakula tu chapo moja nimeshiba, and you've been eating like 2-3, eating half the meat before you cook it for the rest of the family. That is the reason. So exercise some mindful eating, where you cook, finish cooking, you serve your portion, sit down, focus on the food, eat it all. When it is enough for you, then you stop. But it is very easy for the mind to know. That is by the way, I digress. Let us go to the kitchen and cook. This is the situation of our meat. I can tell it is going to be super yummy. So I will go show you the rest of the ingredients, and then we prep this, then call it a night. You are looking at the last of my last year's loot from Healthy You. These things were being sold for 99 bob, 6 of them. I can never afford these for 506 of them. We are not doing that. Also, mine are not as thin and as together and as holding as this. That doesn't make sense, but you know what I mean. Just because I can make good chapos zenye najiamini nazo doesn't mean I can do every other thing, and this is one thing that whenever I do the wraps, they are fat. Okay, that is not a good word. They are plus size. Happy now? Okay, so I'm going to shred some cheddar here, and then shred our beefy thing, then top kwa hizi. I don't know whether I have any vegetable. Well, is pineapple a vegetable? Anyway, yeah, so I don't know whether I have any vegetable, but again, sometimes just the way you go to the stores and just grab a degree dog or burger or anything. I say that is definitely sweet. That is a very yummy meal. I almost people with salt though, because the marination, the sauces and all that had salt. So guess, yeah, I was about to say careful if you're going to be using salt, but we all use salt anyway. Thank you so much for being here. What do you think about today's video? Let me know. Share, like if you do like. I will see you in my next one. Go ahead.